So hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Fitness Fit Computer Geek. In the last time I said that because of unavailability of buses I have to take a Uber and ask him to drive me directly to Hamirpur. So now I have reached Hamirpur and I am staying at my hotel room. Okay, so because I was very tired of two-day long journey and because of I can't sleep for 2 nights actually. So for that reason I'm very tired and as the time passes I cannot get into my college hostel. I unable to show you the inside the view inside of my campus, but tomorrow I will go there. And one more reason I didn't go today is because they needed RT-PCR negative, although either you taken a vaccine or you ain't. So but you have to show the RT-PCR negative sir. That's why I unable to go there right now. So I am staying at my hotel room. Tomorrow itself I will try to do my RT-PCR test, then reach directly into the campus and show you guys the campus of NIT Hamirpur. Okay, so in my vlog, so stay tuned. So about the journey, let me tell you that it was a fine journey. I learned many things. As I have told you, I tried to get mugged by some people in Old Delhi, and also in some station my train was about to might have leave the station and I am unable to get up in the train earlier. Okay, these two things were happened. So because of these two things and also because of 2 night and 2 day I have unable to sleep properly. Okay, only 2 hours sleep for day. You can imagine the hallucination I am getting here. So I will take a rest today itself and eat my dinner there, and tomorrow I will go into the NIT Hamirpur campus. Okay, so see you there. So as you can see, I am at just outside my campus. I just gone there to have a look at my campus and just click some photos and videos, record some videos. So it was actually very nice view. You can see it here, beautiful morning of 2 October. And I'm just here. You can see the first gate of NIT. This is the first gate of NIT Hamirpur. So beautiful here. The scenes here, you can see it. The atmosphere is so charming there. So I am able to got my test. So I just came here to take a video. Have a look, guys. So I was not allowed today to go into NIT. I have done my PCR test, but they did not allow me to go there because of my report is pending. They will give me the report Monday morning. So then after taking my report I will go into NIT. But today itself I just go into the NIT campus and just asked the guards there, but they didn't allow me. Okay, they were saying that without RT-PCR you are not allowed. So that is the case here. So I'm now going back to my hotel room. On you can see my food. It's very nearer. Okay, so I will back to my hotel room and just move out to NIT in a Monday morning. Okay, so see you. So before going to my hotel room, we just take a rest there somewhere, and I'm just providing you some of the view. You enjoyed the view. Okay, so you can see that there is morning time and fog is still in the weather. Very charming weather there. Okay, I'm just enjoying the every moment of it and to enjoy it. So see you. So as now the 4th October has come, and today I'm going to a civil hospital which is 11 km of NIT Hamirpur, and to take my report. Although I have done my RT-PCR test in 2nd of October, but because of national holiday I was unable to get that report on that day, and because of 3rd October Sunday I am also unable to get the report. So on 4th October I just get a chance to take my report, and in this day itself I am going to report to my hostel of NIT. Okay, I actually allotted Udayagiri Boys Hostel. Okay, so this hospital is actually 11 km ahead of NIT. So we just book a cab there and just going to take my report. Okay, so you can see there the beautiful scenery here also. So the greenery there, the mountain behind the greenery, and everything is beautiful. Okay, marvelous view, I would say. Nothing to express, is nothing. So I think the entire city of Hamirpur is somewhat is filled with these type of views. Okay, and I'm really enjoying these views. It's very nice to see these views. Already I have told you that it's give me inner peace really. So though that is the case here. So at that date some rainfall was also, and rainfall has taken place. That's why you can see the lands are still wet, and this is some a village area type. Also the cab driver had told us that this is his village. He has own shop and he does live there. So you can see the grains there, and some of the mm, plants there, okay, which are sown by these village people. So you can see there is turning there, okay. So one thing I learned about this hilly area is there you will encounter lots of terrain, lots of turning there, okay. You never find a straight road at least 10-meter long, 10-meter or more. So every corner there is some turn, okay. So you can enjoy these views also there in mountain ranges. Their land are so fertile also because it's somewhere midway between the mountains and plains. That's why the lands are also very fertile. There is no deny on it that, okay. So here you can see beautiful, very very beautiful. And just I can travel this place for whole day and I never get bored. It's something like that. You might be thinking that I'm exaggerating a little bit, but that's the actual thing here. I'm saying you the truth here. What I feel, I just express it here, okay. So you can see it. So now I think I'm about to reach my hospital, as the Gandhi year ended and some homes and some houses are come nearby. So this signify that I am near to my hospital, civil hospital, and in this civil hospital I will just take my report and way to my campus. So now finally I am in my campus. So just check in at the gate. They took my RT-PCR report and some vaccination certificate, and now I am entering through first gate. Now I am just sitting in my car and I am about to get a view of the entire campus through my window area, okay. So hope I could see you the entire view by sitting in the car here. Now my car started and you can see the my campus begin. The beautiful campus there. There were some temples there. After some day we visit there and see those temples. So this is some meditation area just past that. This is some resident's house. Here you can see that everything is greenery around here. Inside a campus today there is lots of greenery, okay. You will forget to get outside by seeing these views, okay. This is the case here. So at first day I was lost my way, but why not today I am, okay. So this is the things here, okay. So now cab driver is just he know the part of my hostel, that is Udayagiri hostel. But before going to Udayagiri hostel I first have to check in our health center, okay. So there I have to submit my certificate in their RT-PCR test, and they just provide me some slip. Taking this slip I can now will be allowed to enter into a hostel. So you can see there there is lot of parts there and a path there, lots of wall painting there. So that's academic blocks we passed there, and these are some blocks, other blocks I still don't know yet which are this block, but nevertheless it's very beautiful campus, okay. And it's very long campus, okay. Now I just take my report from my health center. I'm way to my Udayagiri boys hostel, okay, way to my hostel. So you can see some of the block there. I think it is computer science block, I don't know yet, but I'm not sure, but there was some block. So I guess I am about to reach my hostel now, but before that I have to pass so many buildings there, I don't know yet. I will just provide you some blog in another day about the entire campus, each and every part of the campus of my two-year study here, okay. So now you can see this is some chemistry department, I guess, I don't know, but these are some departments, okay. I will make another video of showing all those departments, okay, don't know. So this is the greenery here, very beautiful campus, It took actually my hostel, Udayagiri hostel, is nearly 1.5 kilometers from the gate 1. So you can see it's take lots of time. It's take some time. It's take some time, okay, to reach there. So you can see and enjoy the view, okay. So some tree has fallen, I think, and then most of the shops are closed there because I have seen 2 to 3 canteens, but those are closed because of it not yet been opened, because college was still in closed states. And now you have seen some Nescafe cafeteria passed, So here we can get our coffees, but it is closed now. Okay, so now I think I'm about to get into my hostel. So I think I'm passing Dholadhar hostel now. Dholadhar hostel is given to second year MTech student, and now I am just way to my hostel, Udaygiri hostel. Okay, so it is very long part. Okay, I still unable to cover the path here. Okay, I just purchased one bicycle and I will just make the vlogs in bicycle from now. Okay, so this is a beautiful thing about NIT Hamirpur campus. That's why I choose this college. Okay, because of the campus. I am so much fascinated from this campus, and so much impressed by the beauty of this campus and the greenery of this campus. So that's the case here. So I am now about to reach my Udaygiri hostel now. I guess first that's the gate number 2, and nearer to gate number 2 my hostel is there. That is the Udaygiri hostel. So I guess this is somewhat proximity to some gate. So, and this is this is some shop here. Okay, Patanjali shop where I can purchase my daily goods. Okay, so cab driver also showing us, and now I am just into my Udaygiri hostel. Okay, so finally I reached the campus here. Okay, so now cab driver will leave me here, and I will just take my luggage and go to my allotted room, that is 521, and make vlog. So see you there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.